FIG, stock analysis and price predictions for Figma. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end to find out. Figma stock, it's already $82.46. Pre-market is a bit lower now. I'm the only person in this space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience. When I say this, you can just go ahead and check out the YouTube channel to just believe if you want to. But especially with Figma, because I had the sell side opportunity, like the price should not be going anything lower higher than, I mean it could, but then it's gonna like break even's about to be hit, which is not gonna be a win, and just gonna be a break even. Now we're not there yet, right? We're not there yet. This bearish prediction was made in this YouTube video, so just to let you know, it's beforehand. 4 days ago, 7th of August, pre-market, and then they freaking delivered. Now, obviously not financial advice, it's only for now and not forever. And for me to be bullish, I must see some full candle close above $91. So stay tuned, and if you want to get free sauce and money emails, stock picks, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye and enjoy.